Mechanics of fluids. Fluids. Fluids are substances that flow due to action of applied force and do not have shape of their own. Fluids cannot withstand shearing stress. Fluids at rest exert normal force on any surface with which they are in contact. Pressure exerted by a fluid. Pressure is normal force per unit area of the fluid. Pressure of a fluid column of height h is given here, where ρ is density of fluid. Pressure is scalar quantity and its SI unit is Newton per meter squared or Pascal. Pascal's law. Pascal's law states that a change in the pressure applied to a fluid is transmitted undiminished to every point of the fluid and to the walls of the container. Atmospheric pressure, absolute pressure, and gauge pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure above any area in the Earth's atmosphere caused by the weight of air. Absolute pressure of a system is defined as the force exerted by the system on unit area of its boundaries. The difference between the absolute pressure P and the atmospheric pressure PO, as recorded by the gauge, is known as the gauge pressure PG. Equation of continuity. According to the equation of continuity, the product of the area and the fluid speed at all points along the pipe is a constant for an incompressible fluid. That is, A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2 is equal to a constant. Bernoulli's principle. The relationship between fluid speed, pressure, and elevation was first derived in 1738 by the Swiss physicist Daniel Bernoulli. According to him, the sum of the pressure, the kinetic energy per unit volume, and the gravitational potential energy per unit volume is a constant along a streamline. Viscosity. Viscosity is the property of a fluid by virtue of which an opposite force comes into play between layers of fluid due to relative motion between the layers. SI unit of viscosity is Poissy or Newton second per meter squared. Newton's formula for viscous force. The viscous force F between two parallel layers, each of area A and possessing velocity gradient dV by dx, is given here. Eta is the coefficient of viscosity. Stokes' law. Stokes' law states that the viscous drag force F on a sphere of radius A moving with velocity v through a fluid of viscosity eta is given by surface tension. Surface tension is the property of a liquid at rest by virtue of which liquid surface tends to occupy a minimum surface area and behaves like a stretched membrane.